Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Macbook and placing it on a soft, flat surface so nothing shifts. This reduces static and accidental taps. Once done, scan the perimeter to find a liftable corner or seam. Small dust or a tiny gap often marks the edge. If you can't see an edge, use a clean fingernail or a thin plastic card at a shallow angle. This minimizes glass stress while letting you begin peeling without tearing the protector. You now peel gently. Lift the chosen corner and pull at a 30 to 45 degree angle, moving slowly and evenly across the panel because speed increases risk of residue or cracks. Make sure to keep steady opposing pressure with your other hand to stabilize the laptop. Pause if you feel resistance and reseat the corner. If adhesive grips, slide unflavored dental floss behind the edge and use a steady sawing motion. This separates adhesive without bending the screen or leaving goo. You finish by removing any leftover adhesive. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and wipe in small circular motions because alcohol dissolves residue without harming coatings when used sparingly. Once clean, let the display air dry for 5 to 10 minutes before powering on or applying a new protector so solvents evaporate. If the protector rips and pieces remain, gently warm the area with low heat, hair dryer at arm's length, or seek professional help to avoid scratch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.